He said your lips is so soft, like a pillow.
Not the glasses. Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. Where are you from?
I'm from the East Coast. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. Where are you from? Please say it.
America.
America. Okay, okay, okay. I'm from Bangladesh,
Okay, India?
beside of India.
Okay,
How was the day? Very nice. Nice.
thank you.
Why? Welcome, welcome. What are you drinking? What are you drinking right now?
I'm drinking water.
Wow, you have nice hair. Wow, I wanna see you. I wanna see you very clear.
Not the glasses.
How about me?
You want me to kiss you?
No. If I want to see you, will you allow me?
Stop.
I just kidding to you.
Just
Please
give me
forget
some
it.
time. Just give me some time.
Yeah.
Just give me some time to think.
Okay. 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 Your lips is so soft. He think your lips is so soft like a pillow. He said your lips is so soft like a pillow. Is it correct?
No, they're soft as pillows.
Yeah.